Hello everyone, welcome back in Python tutorials for beginner series. In this video tutorial, we will learn about dictionary. Dictionary is an unordered collection of key value pairs which is changeable and indexed. So dictionary generally used when we have a large amount of data. We should know the key to retrieve the value from dictionaries. In Python, dictionaries are created using braces, where each item being a pair of key and values. Key and values can be of any data type like string or number or any data type. So this is the example how to write and retrieve data from dictionary. So if we see here, this is the key and this is the value. Okay, and I want to know the type, I'll just write type. So it will return dictionary. And if I want to retrieve any value, I'll just write key like name. So it will give me the value Gaurav. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.